Okay, hi everyone. It is Miss Niswander, and I'm just gonna do a quick video showing y'all some quick tips how to customize your Canvas site for the upcoming school year. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is how to add a co-teacher like a TA or special ed teacher, an ESOL teacher that you collaborate. So I'm gonna share my screen. Okay, so here we are in the Canvas dashboard, and mine has a different picture, so I can show you guys how to do that as well. But I'm just going to click on Miss Niswander and Miss Andrews' kindergarten class. And I actually already copied the email I want to add, so I'm actually, just for this example, I'm going to use our amazing bookkeeper, Miss Bach's email. So I copied her email, and now I'm going to click on People. And then you can see this little plus sign, and it says plus people. So you're going to add someone. So I already added Miss Andrews as our TA, Miss Cabral. I also put her as a TA. She works with all of our special ed kiddos, and Miss Rodriguez for ESOL. So add people. And you can see you have three options. For now, you're just going to copy and paste the Prince William County email address. That's really important so that they can have access. And then whatever their role is, so faculty, teacher, TA. For now, I'm just going to say Miss Bach is faculty, add her, make sure it's your sandbox, and then you're going to press next. And as soon as you press add users, Miss Bach will get an email saying this teacher has invited you to join their Canvas site, and she can either accept or decline. Once she accepts, everything will be live on our Canvas site for her, the buttons, all the links that are embedded, and she'll be able to access everything. So I'm not going to bombard Miss Bach with emails today. So I'm going to cancel that, but you would just say continue. All right, so the next thing I'm going to show you is how to change the picture of your Canvas dashboard. So right here, usually you just have colors, and you can change just the color, but it's kind of weird how it doesn't let you change this background easily. So I'm going to show you what to do. You're just going to click on the backdrop, and it's going to take you back to your home page. So my home page is set to this page. Just so it's easier for my kindergartners and parents to access. And you're going to go all the way down to settings right here. Click on that. And as soon as you see this, you'll see that this is your course detail. And these three dots right here, sorry, the bar was in the way. The three dots right here is what you want to hit. So you're going to hit that, and you can choose your image. So I actually made this image in Google Draw, which I can show you guys how to do next. But you're just going to choose your image, and then you can either do something from Unsplash, which is really cool. This is like teachers that have already created a bunch of stuff, so you can just take something from here, from the web, or if you have something that you created, like I created a Google drawing, then you can upload it from your computer, or if you have a picture of you in your classroom or you and your TA, whatever you want to do. So that's pretty simple there. So let me go back. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to insert pictures onto your home page like I did. So you might think this is actually like a font or like I typed it, but this is actually all a picture that I created in Google Draw right here. So you can see, like, when I select it, it's an image actually. So I made that. And then these buttons I made in Google Draw as well: reading, math, writing, science, social studies, and mental health buttons, so important. And they all are linked to the modules that Prince William County is going to implement, but right now I just have kind of like placeholders in them just so I could see that my links were working and would take kids to their correct modules. And then I also, Ms. Dunphy helped me come up with this, but it's a survey for parents, and I can show you that next, but right now I'll show you how to insert a picture. It's fairly simple. So you're just going to go to where you want your picture inserted. So just for this, I'll go to the bottom of actually, I'll make a new page so that you guys can see it. Let's see, I'll cancel that so it doesn't save anything. Okay. So you're going to go to Pages, and you can just view all pages. And then you're going to add a page, kind of like the add the person. So we're going to do Canvas practice. Let's just do that for now. Okay. So you're going to click on this little icon. It looks kind of like a photograph or a painting. And that's how you can upload images. So again, you can upload it from your computer or from Unsplash, which has a bunch of awesome pictures, or even a URL. I've seen some teachers insert some very cool like live photos and stuff. So you can do a bunch of cool stuff like that, like a YouTube video if you want to greet your kids. So first, let me show you how to insert Google Draw, since obviously I think everyone can insert something from their computer. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your email, and then you're going to go over here. I'm sorry, my Wi-Fi is terrible. I'm getting new ones soon. Okay, so you're going to go here, and you're just going to click on Drive, and then mine's already up, so I'm just going to do that. So, Drive, and here you can see all of the stuff in my Drive, and this is actually the Canvas dashboard I made, the Google Draw, and this is the welcome image that I put up. So first I'll show you how to make a new one. So you're going to go New, and you see everything we normally use, but you're going to press More, and then you're going to go to Google Drawings. Okay, and so it'll take me to a new canvas right here, blank slate that you can type in. So you can add your Google Draw, like whatever it is, like if you want to make home page. Okay. And the really cool thing about Google Draw is you can change your background, so you can make it like yellow or whatever you want, or you can even insert a picture. Just for the sake of time, I'll show you guys, I'll go back to my Google Drive and click on this. So this is just a welcome sign I customized. I just changed the fonts and kind of messed around with it. And I wanted to keep it kind of simple since I am teaching kindergarten, and I added Miss Andrews in there. And then as soon as you're done, okay, so just for the sake of time, I'm going to use this. You're going to go File, Download, and you're going to download it as a JPEG. Okay, so as soon as you download it as a JPEG, I have a Mac, so it's kind of easy. I just drag to my desktop, and then I go back to my Sandbox page, and we go back here to, let's see, the picture, upload image, and then easily you can just drag here to there and submit. That looks great. And there is your picture, and I got it centered like this. And you can also, if you click on image options, it's really awesome. This is how you change your sizing for the buttons as well. You can make it bigger, and then it automatically adjusts. You can make it huge. That's kind of how big mine is. Or for all of my buttons, I used 300 by 100. Same thing. And so that's how little it is. For now, we can make it a little bigger. Let's do 500. Okay, done. So that's our home page. And then to insert, let's say, a link, I'm going to show you how to make, so you're going to use Google Draw to do buttons, to create customized buttons. Okay, so let's see, let's go back here to my Drive. And I'll show you an example. So same thing, you're going to go New, and then go to Google Drawing. But for the sake of time, I will just show you one of the buttons I've already created. And I also did a longer YouTube video if you want to look at that more in depth about the buttons. But as you can see, I made my canvas dimensions a little smaller so that I would have a rectangle. And then the first thing I did was I inserted a shape. And I chose the rectangle that has like curves at the ends. I kind of like that at the corners. And then you can just write what subject it is, or if it's your zoom button, you can write zoom right here. You can change it up. And then the great thing about Google Draw is whatever picture you want to add, you can add it and then just keep copying your the same button size into a new canvas, and then just replace image. So you can search the web, which is what I did for all of my buttons. It's so easy. So you can do like for writing, like pencils maybe. And then as soon as you click that picture, you press replace, and boom, you have an easy button that's made for you. And then you're going to go File, and again, Download, JPEG. Same thing, I'm going to drag it to my desktop, so you might have to find it in your downloads, but same exact idea. And then we're going to go back to my canvas, and I'm going to click where I want it to add. And if you want a few more buttons, or if you want multiple buttons, you can always insert a chart like this by going to the three dots right here, insert a table, I'll just do, for the sake of time, 3 right now. I go into this deeper in my other YouTube video that Miss Dunphy sent out, but I'm just going to click, let's say I want it on the left side, so I'm going to click upload an image, and then I'm going to drag the button the button that I just made into Canvas and share it. Okay, now this looks great actually, but let's see what size it is. To make everything uniform on my screen or on my Canvas site, I just made everything 300 by 100, the buttons. And so you can see how you can add more buttons here, make them bigger if you go to image options. The last thing I'll show you is how to link a YouTube video or to link to your course modules. So you're going to go here, click on it so that your button is highlighted, and then see this little infinity sign right here, like it looks like glasses almost. You're going to either, if it's a YouTube video or anything outside of Canvas, you can click external links, so right here. And then you can just type in the URL or whatever it is, so www. whatever it is, YouTube or Starfall, Dreambox, Lexia, whatever it is that you want your kids to go to. For this example, I'll show you how you can link a course link. So for example, if you have a assignment up or a quiz up that you want them to take from your homepage or from another page, for me, what my plan was is for every button it would take them to a module for the week. So like right here I have like some units up, so reading, writing, math, social studies, science, social emotional health, mental health. So those are what my buttons take them to, the module. So for right now I can click and I'll do, okay, this is my writing button. So I click that and now it's linked, and I just would press save and that's it. And I'm going to cancel for the sake of time, but that is all. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Okay.